Hey everyone, this is Sasha back on another quest. So I posted another quest just recently about the employee recognition and reward workflow, integrating with things like Tremendous and Vestaboard. And I got quite some feedback on it, and especially like around how to actually build this and also around Vestaboard. So what I figured what we do today is I'm just going to show you in like 2 minutes how to create a quest where you can accept a message from somebody else for your Vesta board, have an optional or have like a review step, and then whenever you approve the message, then it automatically goes on your Vesta board. So let me show you. So I'll just go here to QuestMate, to my demo account, and say create a quest, and I will just say Vesta board demo, and then we just say create. And once the quest is created, we can start editing it. We'll figure about how we started, or we will work on how we started in a moment, but let's go into the meat first here. Let's say time to inspire. And of course, for our welcome message, which we always use for setting the mood or setting the pacing, we always want to use at least one emoji, right? Cool, awesome. So the only thing that I'm actually going to add to this quest for the person to fill it out is just a short answer, or maybe a long answer. Well, we can just do a short answer for this one, to put their message. And then what's the writing on the wall? And then we just allow people to like write a message here. We can also add a little bit of context. Your message will, or after approval, your message will be shown on your team's Vesta boards. And again, this is just a very simple demo, right? So you can have like quite some other tasks, data that you collect, or like a lot of more stuff on a quest, but let's keep it simple. So that's the only item that we have. And then if we scroll down to completion actions, we just go to add completion actions and say Vestaboard send message. And that sets up the custom component, which will then automatically post the message on the Vestaboard. So if you go to vestaboard.com, you can create an installable under API, and then you can take the credentials that it shows you and just paste those here. So let's make sure I paste this into the right fields. And now, because I entered valid credentials, I can also select my subscription that my Vestaboard here, the virtual one, is connected to. And then I can say which message I actually want to send. And we will just map whatever has been written in what's the writing on the wall. Cool. And that's already it. So the only thing that I will show you now is how to add a approval step. So here you can just say submissions require an approval, and just say the approver is me, but it could also be just like somebody else on the team, or me and somebody else, and then either of us can approve submissions. Let's save this. And now we are like pretty much ready to go. To run this, maybe just make this a share link. You can also lock this down so that this can only be accessed by people from your email domain. But yeah, let's copy the link. Let's open it in a new tab, and let's see how the quest actually looks like. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Time to expire. Let's say, let's rock and roll. And let's say submit. So now, because I have a review step configured, it says waiting for review. If I now go back to QuestMate and I go to runs, I will see that I have like an open submission from a public user in this case, ready for review. So I'll just click on this, and then this looks all good to me. So I press review. I could reject it. I could reject it with a message and say like, hey, maybe be more polite, more inspiring, whatever it is, right? But let's just approve it in this case. And now, because it's approved, like all the completion actions are running, and the only one that we have is the Vestaboard send message, and there it is. This is how it works. If you're keen setting this up for your team, for any routine, or for your customers whatsoever, don't hesitate to reach out to me at sasha@questmate.com, or on LinkedIn, or wherever you will find me. All right, to the next one. See ya.